Hi, I'm Alex. I work as a systems architect at InfraBuild. I started in the graduate program and I've kind of worked my way through. I studied a double of electrical engineering and business, and I'm currently doing a master's of business administration. I was a student engineer for the first kind of 3 to 4 months of my role, and then I've been on this for kind of 5 years straight. So student to graduate was really smooth. My first month of my graduate role was actually in Germany. So I went over and did a month of training between Germany and London for the first 4 weeks of my role. And then I've been super fortunate that as my skills have progressed, the roles have opened up for me to move into from a graduate to an engineer to a now senior engineer. So my graduate program wasn't like a standard graduate program. It was very much a project-based role. So rather than kind of doing rotations and doing that side of things, I was on this project and treated pretty much like a full engineer from the start. So what that means is I was given ownership of an area, and that started as the melt shop, because that's where I started my career. And because of that, like I could go work with the melt shop stakeholders, work out their issues, and I absolutely love that for this graduate program. In general, just go into it with like open arms, try and take every opportunity that's given to you. The opportunities I've had over the last 5 years have been unparalleled with this company compared to everywhere else. You can get so much benefit out of just spending time with everyone. So working with everyone on all levels really gives a great breadth of skill set.